Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Meta AI in Instagram chat. All you have to do now, you can before you open your Instagram, you can visit Play Store or App Store first in order to update your Instagram. So you can open Instagram, try to search Instagram and tap it, and here you can try to update your Instagram first. So if you don't see the update button, it means your Instagram is already up to date. So here, let's see about this app. You can scroll down. So the latest update is on a December 16. This is the version 3.361.0. And here, after you update your Instagram, do not open it yet. Make sure your Instagram you clear the cache by hold the Instagram icon and go to the application info, and here tap on storage usage. If you use your Android device, clear cache, just tap this to clear up some junk file first, and you may consider to clear your data, but you need to relog in. After that, let's open your Instagram. Now, in order to access Meta AI, you can tap on your messenger. You can tap it at the top of your chat page or chat room. As you can see, there is Ask Meta AI or search. So just tap it, and here we go. You can use a Meta AI in Instagram. By using Meta AI, you agree to the AI terms. Your messages will be controlled. And here, let's start with a advice for work-life balance. Just tap it, and Meta AI will answer. So here, the brief introduction from Meta AI, and this is the like advice for you. So let's ask another topics like a 5 cross-country road trip tips. Just tap it, and Meta will give you some tips and so on. And also you can ask manually, maybe let's ask best PC games of 2024. And here we go. Here are some of the best PC games of 2024 by Meta AI. So feel free to try to use this Meta AI in your Instagram chat. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so press the button below. See you in the next video.